Hi, this is Anton from Hello Clerk. In Hello Clerk we do financial apps for Atlassian Jira. In this video I want to show how to work with recurring invoices in Clerk. Many companies charge their clients for the same project on a monthly or weekly, bi-weekly basis. The best way to handle this case is to use the Invoice Generator. It uses invoice templates to generate multiple invoices for multiple clients with a few clicks. We just select the date range that will be used to import time from Jira and click Generate button. And the app goes through all invoice templates one by one and generate invoices. You can watch a separate video that shows how invoice templates and Invoice Generator work. In addition to the Invoice Generator, there is a manual way to work with recurring invoices using the duplicate function. When we need to create invoice for the next month, we just open the invoice from the previous month and click Duplicate. Choose the date range that corresponds to the next month, click Duplicate, and the app will persist all invoice fields and time filters. And all we need to do is just click to import time from Jira or Tempo and save the invoice. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you will have any questions. And try our apps for free in the Atlassian marketplace.